anything
Oh shit,
explain.
what is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. But bro, we gotta start off the vlog on bad news, bro. Bad news. So if you guys are following my Instagram, you guys probably would have seen this already. But if you guys don't, bro, you guys can tell by the title of the video. My lip is broken, bro. I broke my lip, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. But oh my god, my lip is split in half, bro. But I will tell you guys more when I come back. I'll give you guys more of the story. But bro, she is broken. But we are here at Dick's Sporting Goods to check out some things for the boo thing and for me, low-key, for my back. I want to get a roller too, so we're here to look for some of that too. Yeah, bro, my lip is broken. You guys saw it, split. And when we get out of Dick's, I'll tell you guys what happened, more of the backstory and everything like that. But bro, I was so pissed when it happened, bro. And as of maybe like 30 minutes ago, a new lip is ordered already. We're already gonna have a new one on the way, but it might not be the same style. It might be different. You guys don't know yet. Maybe on, if you guys follow the Instagram, make sure y'all do, you guys would see what options I was going with. It was either getting a new one or getting the same one, but a lot of you guys voted otherwise. So you guys know, you know. New lip coming soon. We're approaching Dick's Sporting Goods, see what we can find. Cause Miss MMA fighter over here wants a kickback or something like that. So we're gonna see what we find in here. She's a fighter, bro. You need to chill. She's a fighter now. So she's been looking for kind of one of these, but more for like kickboxing type thing. But yeah, she's a fighter now, bro. Before she fucks me up. Oh my god, you gotta drop it. Drop it. Yo, these white ones are sick though.
Yeah,
All these colorways that they have, like the gold one and all that. Even this one, bro. This one's sick. Damn, bro. Look at those weirdos that go to those raves. No, I'm just kidding. I was just playing, bro. Everyone has their own thing, but raving ain't for me. Sorry. It's all her. Bro, so I just bought this roller because my back be hurting, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But $35 for this little ass roller is insane, bro. That is crazy. And then for gloves, bro, $77 to whoop some ass. But guys, no, the fucking lip, bro. The lip is hurting me. I hate driving like this because, you know, people be looking at me, looking at the lip. But everybody look at how split it is. Look at this. Scratched my original lip as well. But yeah, bro, like, yeah, the bolt got loose in the bottom over here and shit. But damn, bro, damn, she's gone. So long story short, let me tell you guys how it happened. So I was going up a driveway, or trying to, at least attempting to go up a driveway, and the car was coming out of a driveway. And I'm, oh well, shit, I forgot to take out the orange juice. Damn, it's cold still too. What the hell, damn. That's good. Anyways, I was going up a driveway, and the car's coming out the driveway. From my angle, it looks like I got space on my left side, my right side as I'm going up. It looks like I got space. The guy is, you know, not telling me anything, like, don't stop, like, you good, you know, type shit. I go up, and as I'm going, all I hear is like the crack noise of the carbon fiber just, and I'm like, oh my god, bro. I hit the brake and reverse so fast, and the guy's face looking at me was like, no, no, no. Too fucking late for all that. Whatever, he reverses, finally gives me the proper space I need to go up, and whatever, I park and everything, I check, and I see the damage, bro. I see the damage, I just wanted to cry, bro.
You tripping, bro.
I texted her. I actually didn't even text her, I called her. I called her, bro. I called her and told her, yo, I fucking broke my lip. But yeah, bro, she is done for. I mean, it's at least it's only on this side, but like from a far distance from way the fuck over there, you can't notice it, you know? But if you're up here, you can notice it. This side's fine. This side ain't, bro. It's just, it got a boo-boo, you feel me? Like I said earlier in the beginning of the vlog, we ordered a new one. We ordered a new one. It may be this one. It may be a different one. It should be arriving within this week coming up. It should be arriving, but we did get a new lip. It might be the same one. It might be a different one. You'll see when I get it and I receive it. But yeah, bro, she's done for. It is what it is. You'll probably see a new IG reel on this pretty damn soon, before this video's up anyways. But from this angle, it just hurts me, bro. And this shit just hurting my wallet more and more and more. It just hurts my wallet, bro. This car's leaving me broke as fuck. Y'all think I'm joking. That's the sad part. So we're getting up out of here. I just had a little mini photo shoot with the car and all that, but Let's see if we can get a warm start or cold start. Let's see. If it's a warm start, you guys know what it's gonna do. It's gonna pop. If it's a cold start, it's not gonna pop. Oh, there's a cop over there. I can't do that. Oh, they'll hear me for sure. Oh! Almost dropped you guys, but look, the cop's over there. He's over there. I don't want to start it because then he'll hear me. He's gone. It's a cold start. It wasn't a warm start. So we came to Burger 3000. It's a spot by my crib, and we've seen it here a couple of times, but we've never really tried it. I think today is the day we're gonna try it. Here's the menu right here. Burger, single, double, triple, Oklahoma, add-ons, extra meat, jalapenos, all the good. Yep, so look, they got their thing right here, bro. I remember Hawaiian hot chicken used to be like this. Watch them become a storefront, bro, in like a couple more months, bro, or even a year, bro. Mark my words, this is gonna be big.
I haven't even tried it yet.
Yeah. We haven't even tried it, but just mark my words, bro. But shout out to the dude, bro. He gave me free season fries. Shout out to him, bro. Yeah, we're gonna taste it. It's 100% Wagyu. That's what they're saying. So we're gonna be the judge of that, and it's gonna become a burger review channel now. Man, I'm just kidding. I want to taste this, bro, because I've seen it here, but just never tried it. Well, we talked about trying it a couple of times, but we just never have got to it. Oh yeah, little table setup. So if y'all ever interested on Sataquay in Tampa, bro, pull up. Right here in this little village. Bro, just look how good this shit looks, bro. Oh my god. I'm about to tear this shit up, bro. I'm about to tear this shit
Mine
up.
has kimchi.
Kimchi. I don't have that, but I got seasoned fries. Oh my god, bro. These seasoned fries are fucking bomb. Yup.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Can I try your season?
Yeah. Y'all gotta come and try these, bro. The bomb, huh?
That's bomb.
Y'all gotta come try this spot. Alright, fam. Y'all about to get my reaction on this burger. Shit, if I could grab it.
Look at mine.
And I don't really like
Don't mind.
onions like that. Damn.
Buy season. 3, 2, 1.
Bro, I'm not a huge fan of onions, but that shit was good. What do you think? Bomb? Oh, bomb.
There's bomb.
The jalapenos. They're not even spicy. They're bomb. I like. Oh, bro, I'm so full. I'm full. Spot was 10 out of 10 though, for sure. It was really good, bro. Even the fact that I don't like onions, bro, because I really hate onions, but they like had them whole grilled. They were pretty bomb. It was pretty good, not too shabby. Took some of it out though and gave some to her because I didn't want her to get it. But other than that, bro, fries were bomb as hell too, bro. And once again, shout out to my boy for the free fries. Came through on that. But yeah, we out of here, bro. But I highly recommend y'all go try it. If y'all in the area, try it. Oh, the broken lip. There it is. It is the next day, bro. And right now, I'm actually about to take off the lip because yeah, I just want to take it off. I just came back from the gym. That's why I look a little musty, dusty, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I need to get the jack. But damn, it's all the way over there. I get the jack so I can lift it up a little bit and take off the screws so I can remove the carbon fiber lip. We're gonna be lipless for I don't know how long because I don't know when the other lip's coming. I haven't got the email or anything like that, so I don't know when, but hopefully this week. And then we can throw that on and show you guys the new lip. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. Just enough for me to get under there and actually take off the screws. It's that hot right now. Probably need a bigger screwdriver, but I don't got one on me. Alright, I think I got a big one. I got a big enough one now, so should be easier now. Struggling at first, man. Oh no, now the lip's finally off it, bro. Shit looks I don't like it with no lip. But obviously because of this lip, it scratched this one. And then look, that's where the curve hit right here as well on this one. See, you see the scratches and all that right here too. Damn. Lip lasted me, I want to say about maybe a month or two. No, I want to say like 3 months actually. Yeah, it lasted me 3 months, so not too bad, but I just hate the way that it went out, you know? Like if it went out there like a bump or something, you know, like I hit like a hard bump. But I hit like this. Like literally the corner of this right here. And it just, but it's okay, guys. We will be getting a new one in the replacement, but now let's lower and let's see how she looks. Whoa. I hate it. It looks weird with no lip, bro. Oh man, this thing is weird. It's okay, just for a couple days. Just for a couple days, guys. We're gonna put the car inside now. We're gonna give a moment of silence to the lip. Okay. Anybody want to come pick it up? Nah, I'm just kidding. I think this is done for. I don't even think you can repair this. Help me, save me. All right, let's get the Supra in. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What in the magician did I just do? Bro, it looks so weird without the lip. Like, even from this angle, just look at this. Looks so weird, bro. All right, we're about to bring her in, bro. And watch, y'all about to see right now, bro. Y'all about to see what I mean.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
I don't even know how that looked, but I hope it looked good. Finally, lip is off. I was gonna rock with it for a couple more days, but I just wanted to take it off because for when the new one gets here, I could already install it and don't have to take it off and do double the work. So I was like, you know what, I'll just do it in this vlog. It looks weird right now, but it's okay. It's only temporary. Leave in the comment section right now what lip you guys think I got, bro. Leave in the comment section what you think. I got the same one. I could have got an Agile one. I could have got a Savon, a Saber. Hey, bro, you don't know. I don't know. So leave in the comment section below right now what you guys think. This is gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, something a little different, more lifestyle, but a little bit with the car, broken lip type shit. But I hope you guys enjoyed it either way, you know. Just trying to keep you guys entertained, you know. Don't want to keep you guys bored with the car stuff all the time. Maybe throw in a little bit of lifestyle things in there, you know. But like I said, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the family. And so you guys can stay up to date on the new lip that is coming. That will probably be the next video. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on the next vlog. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.